When color correcting, we all approach it the same way, but when it comes to color grading, you need your own vibe, your own taste, which tells your unique story. Hello YouTube friends, Alex here, and welcome to another episode of today. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump into Filmora. Now, I got this video right here, which is actually in S-Log 3 from Storyblog, so you can get yours if you want to practice as you follow along. Well, as you can see right here, my dear friend, that this video is actually practically literally not natural, alright, because it's actually in log form. So our very first step right here is to do the color correction, alright, and make the video look as natural as we can see things in real life. Now, having your video selected right here in the timeline, scroll down here and then you will find this option right here, which is the adjust, alright, and right here we have a couple of things that we need to fix. Starting off with the contrast right here, I will increase it something like between 10 and 14, alright, and then after that I go to the saturation, increase it again because I need it to be more saturated a little bit, alright, and then after that I go straight to the vibrance, do the same thing, I increase it, skip other options right here and then go straight to the highlights and then reduce them a little bit, alright, and then after that do the same thing with the shadows, and then now the most important part, go to the temperature right here and then increase it something between 18 and 22, alright, and then after that move on to the tone, alright, so right here I'm going to reduce it to something like -12, oh sorry, -9, I think -9 we do, alright, and then after that, my dear friend, you find out still that these flowers on the foreground, they need to pop up. Go the HSL right here, alright, so straight right here from here I will select this purple color right here and then increase the adjustments like this, just slight adjustments will do. I can also adjust the green. Now, once that is done, my dear friend, we can say this is now natural. But that's just the color correction, which is the very first step. Now, how are you exactly going to give a vibe, that unique taste, the way you want your videos to look like, alright? Even though we do not have the color wheels and the curves right now in this mobile version that we have of Filmora, but you can use the other option right here, which is the filters, and right here as you can see there are tons of them, alright, from the Pro, the Basic, Film, Spring, Valentine, and so forth and so forth. So for me right here, I'm going to choose this one right here, which is called the CM06, alright. So it's not just about applying this effect right here, but it's also adjusting the intensity of the filter, alright, because you don't want it to be too much, alright. You want it to tell a story, but at the same time being natural, alright. So I'm going to reduce the intensity of this effect right here to something like 55. Alright, now let's check the before and the after of the whole video. Well, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. Until I meet you in the next episode, peace.